Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an API in Bubble. EO. To begin, navigate to the Plugins tab within your Bubble editor. Search for and install the official API Connector plugin. This crucial tool acts as your gateway to integrating external services, allowing your application to communicate effectively with various APIs. It's the foundational step for sending requests and receiving valuable data from other platforms, making your app more dynamic. Once the API connector is installed, you'll add a new API call. Define the method such as GET for retrieving data or POST for sending it. Next, configure authentication. This might involve an API key in the header or query string, or setting up OAuth 2. Carefully specify any parameters required for your request, whether they are part of the URL header or the request body itself. After configuring your API call, initialize it to fetch example data. This step is crucial for Bubble to understand the data structure. You can then display this retrieved data in various elements, like repeating groups for lists or text elements for single values. Furthermore, integrate API responses directly into your workflows, enabling dynamic actions based on the data received from external services. When issues arise, always check your Bubble server logs and the API's documentation for error messages. Implement robust error handling within your workflows to manage unexpected responses or failures gracefully. Remember to secure your API keys and any sensitive information by using environment variables or server-side workflows, never exposing them directly in client-side code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.